Hello dear travelers, welcome in this video where I will tell you about do's and don'ts while swimming in the sea, and following my advice you will have smooth, pleasant and unforgettable in a positive way experience. The very first thing that I recommend you having when you come here is to wear aqua shoes or Crocs. Regardless of how they look, they are very comfortable and safe because the salt forms salt deposits that they are very sharp and therefore very dangerous because you can cut your legs. I saw many people going in the water barefoot and they cut their feet and they were in pain. The second do that I recommend you here for Dead Sea is having sunglasses. The sunglasses will protect your eyes in first place from the sun and in second place from the salty water, because even if a drop of seawater comes to your eyes, you will cry. You will literally cry. The third thing that I advise you to consider while coming here in Dead Sea is a sun hat. Any sun hat will do. First, you will protect your head from the sun, and second, in case you wet your hair, the textile hat will absorb the water and you will have dry face and especially the eyes. The fourth very comfortable and useful item that I found is this one. That is a mat, and if you want to sit here in the shallow water, like here is shallow water and you just want to sit here, place, sit and enjoy. If you don't want to wet your complete body, because here is very sharp. So those were the do's. The don'ts: do not wet your face under any circumstances. Regardless how long later you will wash with water, for very long time you will have this salty feeling in your eyes. The second don't drink the water, because the water is so salty, and actually is so salty it doesn't have the flavor of salt but like very concentrated guacamole. I had difficulties finding what exactly was the taste. Yes, with help I decided that has very strong guacamole flavor. The second don't is when you are inside in the water and when you want to go out, there are a little bit dangerous places here. Do not use your hands to crawl, because there are very sharp salt formation. You will cut your hands. I did cut my hands. I saw another tourist cut their hands, and later going back in the salty water, that is really very painful. Another do that you can do is first go here in the water, wet yourself, later come back here and apply some of the mud from Dead Sea. That is the mud. That is the mud. Dry and wash yourself back in the water, and in this way you will have more health benefits for your body. So dear travelers, those were the do's and don'ts while swimming here in Dead Sea. Considering all my advice, I'm sure that you will have pleasant swim here. Have a nice day and I will see you in my next video.